Hi guys, I'm back with another video. On this video, I am going to do a taste test, the Lay's taste test. So I have two different types of flavored Lay's chips, and I'm going to give you my opinion on what they taste like. Simple. Okay, so I have Lay's bacon wrap jalapeno popper, and this is what the bag looks like. And I also have I'm kind of interested to taste this one mostly. It's the fried green tomato Lay's. So here we go. I think I'm gonna try the fried green tomatoes first. I'm recording on my phone, so let me see if I can. It smells. I really don't know what it smells like. It don't stink though. Like it's not like a bad scent or nothing like that. It's not a bad scent. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like that. It don't taste like nothing. They don't taste like nothing. Need some hot sauce. Well, anyway, let's try the bacon jalapeno poppers. It's like bacon bits. Oh my god, it smells just like bacon bits. It's like a bag of bacon bits. Smell it. Okay. Let me get a big one. And this is what it looks like. Oh Lord. It kind of has a smoky flavor to me. But it tastes like the smell of bacon bits though. Ali. These good. It definitely tastes like the smell of bacon bits. Look good though. Oh, Ali. This is my boy. We at the park He's trying to get out. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to say, my favorite one out of the two, these were good. The other ones didn't have no flavor. I guess if I add a hot sauce, it'll be good, better. But they're not nasty, they just don't have a flavor to me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go and find these chips because these are bomb. And I'll be back with another video. See ya.